tall boy beers, and then 4 cider tall boys, and then a Mickey of Fireball.
There you go. Someone put his makeup on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stu, how much sleep did you get last night?
A couple.
A couple minutes?
Big one, man. Look at him. Yeah, it's going with the old shoes, eh?
Yeah, I'm going with the old shoes.
These aren't much of a shoe.
Trail runners. I'm going boots.
Remember West Coast Trail? You're like, I don't know about them shoes, man. I'm Yannick, part of Nature Daddy Collective. We're by Babraham Lake. We're gonna hike up to Kinglet Lake. It's about 5K up, 700-meter climb. Brought some stakes, brought some twice bakes. Stu doesn't have any sort of good pair of pants. For a couple of scrubs, we're doing all right. Eric here, he doesn't know what he's doing. He slept the whole way up. And we're gonna have a good time. I don't know where this is going, but we're going uphill.
I'll probably do my usual wimping out once it starts to get too steep, but so far so good.
How have the beers treated you for your training?
Oh, you know, carbs are good when you're doing training like this. So, you know, you want to keep those levels high and frequent.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at this hill. God damn.
Bit of a slog up. Apparently this hike is kind of in 3 stages. The first being fairly steep, and kind of levels out for a while, and then a really steep part at the top. So we were kind of anticipating this. Stu's having a good time there for sure. But yeah, it's kind of rainy, a little bit humid. It's hard to tell whether it's sweat or just rain soaking through our rain jackets, but it feels good. You know, it kind of keeps us cool, and as you can see, it's just a beautiful view here. You can see the North Saskatchewan River in the background here. So just gorgeous. We paddled down this river, this section specifically, a number of times. It's quite nice here. There's a good portage with the pretty crazy rapids, impassable rapids. Beautiful area. Nice to see it from up top.
Is it rain or is it sweat?
I've been doing all this exercise in the gym, but there's nothing quite the same as hiking up a mountain and feeling the pain of lugging 50 pounds on your back. Just nothing's gonna cut it other than doing it. And also the mental capability to push through the pain that Stu's definitely trying to do right now.
Yeah.
That's how it feels. Still roaming to Kinglet Lake. I think it's up the mountain there by that cliff's edge just below. So we got a bit of elevation to peak, but Stu in front of me is trucking and I think he's ready. Or not. Stu's ready for another beer. Cheers, boys!
Cheers.
Woo!
Salud.
Got a carb up for the next section here.
Yeah.
Onto the steep part.
It's the 5K day today.
5K the away.
Yeah, buddy. Kiss. Yeah, buddy. Check out that beautiful view.
It's just right there, right?
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm a fucking machine!
What about you, Stu? Well, are you tired, boy? Yeah.
Oh,
Check this out.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
That's an old stream route.
All right, so we've hiked up to Kinglet Lake and it is absolutely stunning. As you can see, we saw some nice flowers, meadows on the way up, a little bit of snow remnant from the winter. Everyone sweat pretty hard. We brought some beers up, brought some steaks. Can't wait to get things going and find a spot. Here we go, buddy! Woo!
Woo! All right, got the old tent set up here. The old Tarn 2 Mountain Equipment Co-op Special. It's a good tent. I've had it for like 10 years. It's done me well. But check out, there's a number of campsites around the lake, but this one seemed to have the best view. And someone's, built some convenient little benches. Even have a backrest on this one, which is great. Looks like a couple cutting stones, you can maybe prepare some food. Nice, modest fire pit. But the best part is just obviously the view. It's just incredible. Up here we got Stu.
Fucking around.
He's got his brand new Nemo tent. That looks wicked, man. That's what did you say, a 2-man?
Yeah.
That looks huge for a 2-man. Is there doors on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the best. Nice, man. Let's check the inside a little bit. Oh yeah, I guess the tent itself is a little smaller than...
Yeah.
No, that's decent. Yeah, it's about a 2-man. For sure, lying down. It just looks bigger with the
double S as well.
yeah.
I gotta figure
nice.
out what all the little doohickeys do, but
Nice setup.
we'll get there.
We got Yannick, who's whoa, look at this thing.
I know.
Is that a new tarp?
It's a new tarp. Giving it a gander. I think that it'll be comfy sleep, but it's definitely proving a little longer to set up compared to the tents I've had in the past.
One good thing about a hammock though too is that you're, like with the tent, you're putting it on wet ground, right? Whereas
Yeah.
at least with this, it's like still elevated, so.
You're elevated, you're warm. I'm excited. It's a comfy sleep, so.
Shows they all come in different shapes and sizes, Well, it's pouring rain. It just came out of nowhere and it just seems to be coming down harder and harder. We threw up a tarp as fast as we could just to get some sort of shelter here. But yeah, this is definitely like the hardest rain of the day. It's a 10-minute video of us fucking around with this. Oh, you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
It's all right.
Yeah.
I fell on that stump.
You okay?
Yeah, but my butt is juicy, so. Do we cut it in half?
Well, let's just strip the fucking branches. Just. Oh, it's fine. It doesn't feel that heavy. Kind of missing one branch on me. Oh, 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 oh. Ow. Ow.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Blew a fucking tire hard.
Just, here, I got her. Yeah.
Having a hard time here.
Oh, whoa. Okay. Alright. Okay.
Move back a foot.
Oh.
Maybe just drag him, I don't know.
They're too long, man. They're too long.
Okay.
Let's buck it in half and then half. You take half, I'll take half. They're too long. Okay, that's good. Woo! Okay.
Fucking hot tamales, baby.
Okay, that was way more of a mission than I anticipated. We had to go so far because everything had been scoured for dry wood around all these camps. There's nothing available. Also, if you look there, this bathroom and the bear walkers are also like just so far away. This is like a jaunt, especially if you're gonna do it in the dark. It's ridiculous. So anyway, we got some wood, hauling it back, and hopefully this is all we need for the night. The rain's finally let up. It's just pouring there for ages. Pouring. Haven't seen so much rain.
So yeah, like, you know, sometimes like you expect camping food to be kind of shit, but sometimes it's just really good. And like this is one of those times where we bring out like full out New York steaks, twice baked potatoes. Like we're just living the dream here, and it's just like the most amazing food that you could ever expect. It just makes it that much better. So good. So good.
Well, I went to go for more and poop. And as I'm walking, I'm thinking, oh my god, I forgot my bear spray. What a dumb thing that would be to end up dying on the toilet from a bear attack. As soon as I was sitting down, like maybe 20 feet away, I heard the and big trees cracking and stuff. It was close. It was probably like 20 feet just behind like my line of sight, and so I just stood up and just fucking took off and was yelling, "Hey bear," but it was still coming towards me like for a while there. So there's definitely a bear somewhere. I was scary.
Yeah, that'll
scared
get the shit out of you in the morning, eh?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a good way to evacuate your bowels.
Kinglet Lake, night 272. Fantastic place to camp. Very stunning sights. Woke up this morning, no rain as compared to last night, which was definitely not scheduled in the forecast.
How much rain did we get last night, you think?
In that hour, I would say 10 to 15 mils. It's hard to say. We set a plate out and they mocked my experiment, so we're gonna hike back down and enjoy ourselves.
We did it!
Woo! The lake was close to a 10 out of 10 for me. I would say the hike itself, 10 out of 10.
That lake was pristine.
10 out of 10 for me. 10 out of 10 for Eric, probably.
Yeah, I'd say a good 10 out of 10. Woo!
good bear bangers, good summer bangers, good person bangers, good group bangers, good washer bangers. So keep that in mind.